Hi, everyone. Today we will learn English through an inspiring story of Mr. Beast. In this lesson, you will improve your English by listening to his real-life journey, told in a simple and easy way. We will learn new vocabulary, understand sentences, and build confidence in English step by step. Please stay with us till the end. Get in touch, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning through stories. Mr. Beast is an American YouTuber, media personality, and businessman. People know him for fast-paced videos, big challenges, and helping others through large charity projects. His videos are made with very high quality, and his style became so popular that people even call it the Mr. Beastification of YouTube. Today, his main channel is the most subscribed channel on YouTube, with hundreds of millions of subscribers, and he is also one of the most followed creators on TikTok. His real name is James Stephen Donaldson. He was born in Wichita, Kansas, and grew up in Greenville, North Carolina. He started uploading videos to YouTube in 2012 under the name MrBeast 6000. In the beginning, he made simple videos like gaming and talking about how much money other YouTubers earned. Everything changed in 2017 when his video, "I Counted to 100,000, went viral. After that, his ideas became bigger, bolder, and more expensive. As his audience grew, he brought his close friends into the work and started more channels like MrBeast Gaming, Beast Reacts, MrBeast Shorts, and Beast Philanthropy. Over time, MrBeast didn't stop at YouTube. He launched businesses like MrBeast Burger and Feastables. He also helped start huge charity projects like Team Trees, Team Seas, and Team Water, raising tens of millions of dollars to help the planet and people in need. He even created a large reality competition show called Beast Games. Because of his impact, Mr. Beast won Creator of the Year many times and received several Kids' Choice Awards. Time magazine named him one of the most influential people in the world, and Forbes ranked him as the highest-paid YouTube creator. Mr. Beast's early life was not easy. His parents worked long hours and later divorced, so he moved homes often. He finished high school in Greenville, Kansas, and played baseball there. He briefly went to college but dropped out. After leaving college, he made a clear decision to fully understand YouTube. He and his friends spent years studying how videos go viral. He later said that during this time, he was completely obsessed with learning the YouTube algorithm. That hard work and focus eventually turned him into one of the biggest creators in the world. Mr. Beast uploaded his first YouTube video in February 2012, when he was just 13 years old. He used the name MrBeast 6000. In the beginning, his videos were simple. He played games like Minecraft and Call of Duty, talked about how much money other YouTubers made, shared tips for new creators, and commented on YouTube drama. At that time, he rarely appeared on camera. Between 2015 and 2016, he slowly started getting attention with a series called Worst Intros on YouTube, where he made fun of boring video introductions. By mid-2016, he had around 30,000 subscribers. Later that year, he made a big decision. He dropped out of college to focus fully on YouTube. His mother did not agree with this choice, and he had to leave home. As the channel grew, Mr. Beast started working with his childhood friends. They helped him create videos and became part of what people now know as the Mr. Beast crew. Over time, some members left and others joined, but teamwork became a key part of his success. In January 2017, everything changed. Mr. Beast uploaded a video of himself counting to 100,000, which took about 40 hours. The video went viral and brought him massive attention. After that, his content became more extreme and creative. He did strange and difficult challenges, like trying to break glass with megaphones, watching paint dry, spinning a fidget spinner for hours, and staying underwater for a long time. In 2017, he received his first brand deal. Instead of keeping the money, he gave all of it to a homeless person. This moment shaped his future content. From then on, giving away money became his signature style. By 2018, he had already given away over $1 million, and people started calling him YouTube's biggest philanthropist. During the PewDiePie vs. T-Series competition, MrBeast went all in. He bought billboards, ads, and even seats at the Super Bowl to promote PewDiePie. His actions made headlines and showed how far he was willing to go for an idea. In 2019, he organized a real-life gaming competition with a huge cash prize. In 2020, he hosted massive live events with famous influencers, giving away hundreds of thousands of dollars. These events broke viewership records and proved that MrBeast was no longer just a YouTuber. He had become a phenomenon. In 2021, MrBeast entered a new level of success. On January 1, he released his own version of YouTube Rewind. In the video, he said that creators should have more control over Rewind, so he called hundreds of YouTubers and made it himself. At the end, he thanked PewDiePie and said his work was inspired by PewDiePie's 2018 Rewind. A month later, he signed a content deal with JellySmack to share his videos on Facebook and Snapchat. In early 2021, he also began making smarter business moves. He partnered with the banking app Current, and for the first time, he took ownership in a brand instead of just promoting it. This showed that MrBeast was now thinking like a businessman, not just a creator. In November 2021, he released one of his biggest videos ever, $456,000 Squid Game in real life. In this video, 456 people competed for a huge cash prize. The video exploded in popularity and became one of the most watched videos of the year. Even though some people criticized it, the creator of Squid Game reacted positively. By the end of 2021 and into 2022, MrBeast was breaking records. He hosted massive influencer competitions with prizes worth up to $1 million. In 2022, Forbes named him the highest-earning YouTuber, saying he made more than many famous movie stars. His subscriber count kept rising fast. In July 2022, he crossed 100 million subscribers. Later that year, he broke the Guinness World Record for the most subscribers by an individual male YouTuber, passing PewDiePie. In 2023, he crossed 200 million subscribers, and one of his Shorts videos reached over 1 billion views. In 2024, MrBeast made YouTube history. He passed T-Series to become the most subscribed channel on the platform and then became the first YouTuber to reach 300 million subscribers. He celebrated with a huge video called 50 YouTubers Fight for $1 Million, which gained tens of millions of views in just one day. His videos now featured global stars like Cristiano Ronaldo, Tom Brady, and other famous athletes. By 2025, MrBeast was no longer just a YouTuber. He hosted international events, brought together creators from different countries, and featured world-famous sports legends. In June 2025, he reached another milestone and became the first YouTuber ever to cross 400 million subscribers, proving that his journey from a small channel to global fame was truly extraordinary. Public image and influence. Over the years, MrBeast has become one of the most recognizable faces on the internet. In June 2024, his channel became the most subscribed on YouTube, passing T-Series. Surveys have shown that most people see him in a positive way, with a large majority of fans supporting and admiring his work. Media outlets often point out that MrBeast is especially popular with young audiences. He speaks directly to the camera, keeps high energy, and feels approachable, almost like a friend talking to you. Because of this style, many fans feel a strong personal connection with him. Experts say his success represents a bigger change on YouTube. Content has moved toward big budget, creative, and experimental videos, and MrBeast is one of the main reasons for that shift. Many other creators have followed his path, copying his high-risk challenges and large cash prizes. At the same time, his work has not been free from criticism. Some people say that his charity videos turn helping others into entertainment and do not fix deeper social problems. MrBeast has answered these claims by saying he does not keep any money from his charity channel and that all the revenue goes to people in need. He also believes that real solutions to big problems require action from governments, not just YouTubers.